Okay, folks, we are here at yet another pizza review. This time, we're in a place called Pepperoni Italian-American Eatery and Grill. They're located at 9174 Wiles Road in Coral Springs, Florida. Been here 28 years, I think the guy said inside. Place is really nice people working there, nice girls at the counter. Had a chance to meet the owner, very nice also. The place is very clean. It's located in a very high-end shopping center here in Coral Springs. Before I get started, I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. It's really important. It's how I continue to bring you all of the great reviews that I've been doing. Now, keep in mind, I want you to remember that every place I go to, I'm going to be going back a few weeks later to try their meatballs. We are on the quest to find the perfect meatball, folks. But we're not just going to be reviewing pizza and meatballs. We're going to be taking a piece of the Italian menu. We're going to be going and trying everything we can on the Italian food menu so that I can bring you all of the great Italian food reviews by a real Italian. So like I said, we're at Pepperoni here in Coral Springs. I need you to like and subscribe. Please don't forget. That's really important. Let's take a look at their slice. Here it is. Well done on the bottom. It's a little sheen, but it looks like they're using the high quality mozzarella. Let's see if when I fold it breaks, because when you fold a pizza, it should break. I don't like pliable pizza. It should break. It tells you a lot about the dough. It tells you about how well it's cooked, or as we say in Italian, la cottura. So here we go. I fold it. It breaks a little bit, okay, just at the crust part, but it's a bit pliable. It's not terrible. Let's see, they may be able to redeem themselves with taste. There's zero flop. That's a good sign. No grease at all. Let's give it a shot. Let's take one more bite. Okay, so it's a good cheese. The dough is good. It could have been more well done. That would have helped it along the way to getting a higher score. The cheese to sauce ratio was a bit lopsided. There was more cheese than there was sauce. Now, what little bit of the sauce I did taste was good. It's a good quality cheese, but you have to have that balance. It's really important to have the balance between the sauce and the cheese. Very, very important. So I'm going to say right now that pepperoni is a good slice. Would I drive very far for it? No, maybe 5 to 10 minutes if it's in my neighborhood, or I'd get it delivered. It's decent. It's okay. I'm going to give Pepperoni Pizza a 7.2 on their pizza. That's a real pizza review by a real Italian. 7.2. That's my score.